Hello, good morning. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce about myself. My name is Navin Lama. I am 37 years old. I am from Bhaktapur, Nepal. I am married. I have 3 members in my family. My education is 10 passed. My height 5.4 feet and weight 65 kg. I am physically fit and fine. I have 2 years of work experience as a factory worker in Nepal. Job and duties of factory worker is to loading and unloading goods, storing things, operating heavy machine, counting, packing, check inventory, delivery, etc. I want to come to Europe country for good future, also to develop my career, earn money to support my family. I am hardworking and honest person. I can work in any weather or climate, there inside or outside. I will stay there for a long term, maybe 5 to 6 years. Thank you. Thank you.